Hi, Cam here with a quick video on how to install your inline fridge filter. The first thing we'll need to do is identify the water source and turn the water supply off. You can do that with the shut-off tap by turning it into the off position. Once you've turned off the water supply, open your fridge's water dispenser and allow it to flow until emptied. This action will reduce the water pressure built up inside the filter cartridge and the water line. Using 2 fingers, push in the collet at the end of the filter cartridge. Once it's gone in as far as it can, just gently pull on the tubing and it will be removed. Repeat this process on the opposing side. Identify the end of the filter with the cap. That is the inlet side. You want to pop that into where the water is coming from the mains line. Pop that into place by pushing the tubing in as far as it can and then gently pulling back on the collet to ensure firm fitment. Once that's done, you can now turn on the water source and allow that to flow into a bucket. Let it flow for about 4 to 5 litres, and that should be clear of all carbon fines and granules and any air that's built up inside the cartridge. Once you've cleared the cartridge of any carbon fines and air, simply turn off the shut-off tap once again and get the outlet tube that goes into the fridge. You want to pop that into place just like we did on the inlet side, pushing it all the way in as far as you possibly can and gently pulling back to ensure firm fitment. Move back across to the water source and turn the water back on again. And what you want to do here is basically watch the filter cartridge and the tubing and ensure that there's no leaks for around 2 to 3 minutes. Once that's done, move forward to your refrigerator and open the dispenser and allow it to flow until the water runs clear. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.